Hello kids! Welcome to the world of reptiles. Let's learn 20 reptiles names with fun facts and colorful pictures. Let's go! Crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and seas. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Alligator. Alligators live in fresh water. They have a wide U-shaped mouth. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are the largest lizard. They live in Indonesia. Green iguana. Green iguana are bright green lizards. They love to climb trees. Chameleon. Chameleon can change their color. They have long sticky tongues. Gila monster. Gila monsters are poisonous lizards. They live in desert. Gecko. Geckos are small lizards. They can climb walls easily. Basilisk lizard. Basilisk lizard can run on water. People call them Jesus lizard. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard are very big lizards. They are good swimmers. Tawny dragon. Tawny dragons are covered with spikes. They live in Australia. Spiny-tailed lizard. Spiny-tailed lizard have tails with spikes. They live in desert. Cobra. Cobras spread a good when angry. They are venomous snakes. Python. Pythons are big snakes. They kill by squeezing animals. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes make a rattling sound. They warn before biting. Viper. Viper have a triangle-shaped head. They have long fangs with poison. Tortoise. Tortoises live on land. They have heavy round shell. Turtle. Turtles live in water. They have flat shells for swimming. Sea turtle. Sea turtles live in the ocean. They have flippers to swim fast. Skink. Skinks are shiny lizards. They can move very fast. Anaconda. Anacondas are the heaviest snake. They live in rivers and swamps. Wow, we saw so many amazing reptiles today. Do you remember your favorite one? Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.